So in this VistaCreate tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a box around text here on VistaCreate. So the first thing you have to do is open up VistaCreate. Once that is done, simply just add some text into your design. So I go to the top left here and press on text. Now I'll just make the text a little bit larger so that's easier for you guys to see. I'm just going to type in the word box for simplicity's sake. Now, if you wanted to add a box around text or like a background around text, it's fairly straightforward. Press on the text, go up to the top right and press on effects right here. Then where it says text box right here, press on that. And as by default, it sets this box around the text. Now, if you want to change the size of it, you can make it larger, you can make it smaller, whatever the case may be. You can change the roundness of it as well to make it more round or less round. You can also change the opacity of it as well, making it more see-through or more transparent or less see-through or less transparent. Also, too, more importantly, you can change the color of the box. So if you wanted to make the box color red, for instance, there you go. Super straightforward, super simple. That is how to add a box around text here on VistaCreate. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.